Good morning, family and friends. Um, our loved ones want us to know that it's time today, actually, with forgiveness, to let go of anger and blame. We must end the situations and with people and with situations that don't serve us anymore. We've done what we can to make things right, and it's time to get out of these situations now. We must do what makes us happy. And when we deal with other people, it must be in a cooperative way. It's time to heal. In January, you'll have a better spiritual understanding of what this means. But right now, our spirits want us to bring more laughter into our lives. Trust your higher self. You're on the right path, and it's a path that's leading you to money. Trust the magic of the universe. Make a wish and believe it's going to come true. Take control of your own life. There's great happiness coming, and this is going to be for over a long term. We are being divinely guided, but we must pay attention to our finances. We'll be meeting a stranger, and that's going to bring beginnings into our lives. Take time out at this time. There is periods of prosperity and abundance coming your way, and that is because you're choosing peace and harmony over chaos. There's justice coming with a relationship with a younger girl, a niece or a daughter, and they want you to know that spirit has a plan with this relationship. It's going to be a beautiful transformation for you and for her. As far we are going to get help with our finances so that we can help others, and in your career karma is going to pay off. We are going to see the brightness in all areas of our lives, including our finances. There's going to be goodness, good news, good tidings, good everything for you. Feel it in your heart. It's coming. Have a great day, everybody. I love you all.